Are you ready to light up your holiday season? Decorating for the holidays can be fun and creative. Today, we'll explore various holiday decorating ideas. Let's dive into easy, inspiring tips for every home. First, consider your color scheme. Classic red and green evoke warmth. Alternatively, try elegant gold and silver combinations. Next, choose your focal points. A beautifully decorated tree creates instant holiday cheer. Use ornaments, ribbons, and lights to personalize it. Don't forget your front porch. Wreaths, garlands, and festive lights create a welcoming entrance. Add cozy elements like blankets and pillows for outdoor spaces. Now, let's talk table settings. Create a stunning centerpiece with candles and seasonal flowers. Use themed placemats and napkins to enhance your dining experience. Moving on to wall decorations, think outside the box. Hang string lights and create a festive backdrop. Use holiday-themed art to express your style. And don't overlook unique accessories, they add a special touch. Incorporate handmade decorations for a personal feel. Consider a DIY craft day with friends or family. Remember to include the scent of the season. Cinnamon sticks, pine cones, and candles add coziness. Now, let's summarize the key points. Choose a color scheme that suits your style. Focus on main decorative elements like trees and wreaths. Incorporate unique, handmade items for a personal touch. Finally, transform your home with fragrant elements. Are you excited to start decorating? Don't forget to share your ideas in the comments. Watch the related video. Subscribe for more creative tips for every holiday season.